That's great. Now, you're going to sing 3 pieces for us, isn't that right?
That's correct, Pete.
What do they call the second piece?
The second piece we're going to sing tonight, Kate, is I'm Standing on the Solid Rock.
Very good.
Through my disappointments, strife and discontentment, I cast my every care on the Lord. No matter what obsession, pain or deep depression, I'm standing on the solid rock. I'm standing on the rock of ages, safe from all the storm that rages, rich but not from Satan's wages. I'm standing on the solid rock. Even though he's gone now, I don't feel alone now. With comfort came the Spirit of the Lord. With His hand to guide me, from temptation hide me. I'm standing on the solid rock. I'm standing on the rock of ages, safe from all the storm that rages, rich but not from Satan's wages. I'm standing on the solid rock. Now I'm pressing onward, each step leads me homeward. I'm trusting in my Savior day by day. Close is our relation, firm is its foundation. I'm standing on the solid rock. I'm standing on the rock of ages, safe from all the storm that rages, rich but not from Satan's wages. I'm standing on the solid rock. I'm standing on the solid rock.
That's another good piece. Just a wee bit of a change of tempo. Now, we know who 2 of you are. Could somebody tell us the names of all the others in the group here?
Well, there's 6 of us in the group.
Yes.
To my left here is Christine White,
Yes.
and we have Doris Shields, and we have Pat Weekman, and then we have my husband, Sam Hutchison, and his brother-in-law, Thomas Hutchison.
Now, the husband, is that the one with the shiny head? Is it?
That's him, Pete.
Well, I'll tell you something. We're certainly enjoying the singing, and you know, just because you're born again, that doesn't say you don't have a laugh or don't have a good time. There's a lot of people, you know, they're going around and they're that heavenly minded. They're no earthly use. And I believe that the Lord was a man among men and talked to them as men. Now, you're going to sing another piece for us. What do they call that piece?
Well, the last week piece we're going to sing for you is called Mansion Over the Hilltop.
Right.
I'm satisfied with just a cottage below, and a little silver and a little gold.
a lot of us walk on the streets of gold. And that's great to know. Now, we're very pleased to say that you'll be coming back on Sunday again for us, won't you?
All been well.
And will you be dressed in that red and black?
Yes, of course we will.
You'll not have a big bad wolf with you.
No.
Well, again, let us say thank you very, very much indeed. Thank you.
Thank you for having us.
Thank you.